I'm finishing up my computer setup by installing that second mount, and that's here on the side of that lower cabinet. This is my toilet here, and it's close to my passenger seat, so I can look at it from my passenger seat as well as from the outside. So okay, I have two screws. The screws have a slight bulge, and it was fine for the bottom one, but not for the top one, so I flattened it out a little bit. So the fact is that this will go as a filler whenever the mount itself is located in the other one. And as soon as I put the mount here, I can put the filler over there. It looks a little bit nicer. This one. Then I have a washer and a lock nut, which I'll attach on the inside. Yeah. Okay. Okay, and that's done too. Oh, always a little. It's not too bad. I'll leave it that way. This is done. I'll take it out whenever I need it. Put the mount in. What I would usually probably do is have it mounted this way when it's here. The issue is always here that either on this side or on that side, the TV will stick out. So it's not the permanent location for the television, but just when I need it to use it at this place. The nice thing is that, let me see, I can extend it and then it gets closer to the passenger seat, so it can work on my computer from the passenger seat. And whenever I'm outside, I'll do it this way, lock it here, and then use it here, or whatever the situation is, to put the television set here outside. This one. Done. I'm working near the gray water tank. Currently that's connected to the toilet, so that the fluids from there go into the tank. And now I'm trying to put in the second drain line, and instead of going front to the toilet, it goes back to the rear where the kitchen is. So that's where the kitchen water will be coming down. Put in some temporary piping here just to see what the best place is to enter the vehicle. So I'm gonna drill a hole somewhere out here and see whether that works out. I'm starting with a pilot hole. Okay. Okay. Let's have a look inside. This is the area just below the water tank, very close to the kitchen. And as you can see, I got a small drill hole here. And that's just a perfect location. So now that I know that the location is good, I can drill a larger hole. And I'll try to do that from the bottom up as well. Okay, that works. So now I'll be starting to put things together permanently. Let's hope okay. That looks good. There it is. That's the hole. Here inside the van, that's the way it looks like right now. So this is the gray water pipe, and what I wanted to do is put some rubber sealant around it. So I'm using some window seal. Then after making this connection, or when making this connection, I'll probably put this on top just to further close it off. Got some undercoating. Yeah, this morning I'm working on the van again, more or less as a reaction on one of my trips where I found out that there is a danger if I have to brake briskly, which doesn't happen often, but just in case of something happens, that this lid may open up and tumble to the front of the van. To prevent that, I bought some clips, and you can see it this way, hopefully. And we'll put a couple of them here on the rear, so it won't be able to lift up. Okay, don't have much room to do it, so let's see. These are tiny screws, so I just have to get past the Formica. That's one. Okay, Okay, that was simple. And it locks. So I can take this off. Because first of all, I use this top as an extension of my kitchen to put all my stuff on, my plates or whatever. I use it, of course, to close my storage boxes with. Just the top one, the other ones they just fit into each other. And thirdly, I can take it off entirely and put it on a picnic table because my experience is that picnic tables are usually not in a perfect state. And this offers me a clean place to work on, either prepare a meal or work on the computer or something like that. So it has 3 uses. And it's locked now, so if something happens and I have to break, it has less chance of coming loose. Oh, before I go, please pay attention to these missing children. If you have any information, please call the appropriate number. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.